Hello everybody, my name is Zoff the Warrior Prince, and today I want to recommend these nice on the leaf mandarins, clementines. They're very tasty, they're really fresh, and the more better quality and better grown and better ripened on the tree or the vine, and the fresher to eaten as well. The more nutrients a plant has, the more minerals, vitamins, enzymes, phytonutrients, medicinal components, all that sort of stuff it has. So I highly recommend buying healthy things, raw foods that don't have all the biophotons and enzymes destroyed, which are very important for our body, as well as like having a significant amount of vitamins destroyed and a significant amount of chemical alteration, which makes a lot of these cooked foods more very addictive. So highly recommend raw living foods and these mandarins, and the better the quality, the better the nutrition, and the more nutrition your body has, the happier the mood you are and the healthier you'll be. So, Happy New Year 2019 and have a good day.